Hi, I'm Jamie from MTa, and I'm going to show you how to pack an MTa Insights Kit. It's really easy if you do it the right way. So, start with all your small bits, throw them into the bag. And then get your beams, find your long beams and put them into the bag upright, and then take a 5-hole beam, put that in, and then your 4 holes like that, and then take your 3 holes, and finally your 2 holes. A little bit of a shake, and your wheels drop into the hole you've made. Take your angle brackets, put them in, your poles, your ropes, and finally your small bits. And then that should zip up easily. And then finally, if you've got any activity manuals and you want to, you can just slot them down the side. And that's one of your MTa Insights holdalls packed up.